Do you sometimes feel like you look like a raccoon or a panda, but not in a cute way? Maybe it's because you have these dark circles around your eyes. Generally, dark circles around the eyes can be caused by natural hollowing or darker pigmentation in the skin. Anything that causes a depression between your eyelids and your cheeks can cause a shadowing effect in the appearance of a dark line. This can be caused naturally with volume loss as you age, or be accentuated early with an eye bag. The best way to correct any contour abnormality is to correct the underlying issue. So this could be removing the eye bag or filling the depression with filler or fat grafting. Sometimes dark lines can actually be caused by treatment. So if you recently had filler injected into that area and then all of a sudden you feel like you have a darker color, usually the color may look blue, then you may have what's called a Tyndall effect, and that's from too much filler injected too close to the skin. And the solution for this is to actually remove the filler to remove the color.